Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com.
Up first this evening, tragedy struck along one of St. Anne's major roadways Friday afternoon.
It is reported that at least 2 people died after a 4-vehicle crash along the Runaway Bay to Discovery Bay Main Road.
Now, the identities of the deceased are not yet known, but it is understood they were trapped in the vehicles which burst into flames upon collision.
A Benz motor vehicle, a bus, and 2 other units were involved in the crash.
Police and firefighters responded to the incident and are still on the scene.
Now, the crash caused major gridlock along the busy thoroughfare Friday afternoon.